Good morning, friends. GST now going to be levied on pre-packaged and labeled commodities. It may be pulses, it may be flour, it may be cereals, and there is a specified item falling under chapter 1 to chapter 21 of the tariff has been amended accordingly, and 5% GST is being levied on pre-packaged and labeled commodities by notification number 6/2022. Central taxes rate dated 13 July 2022, but effectively change is coming on 18 July 2022. Earlier, as we know that GST was exempt on unbranded or branded where right has been forgone. This concept is being done away with. Henceforth, GST going to be levied on pre-packaged and labeled commodities. If it is other than pre-packaged and labeled, then GST is exempted, continue to be exempted. सिल्वर लाइनिंग, अगर ये प्री पैकेज्ड एंड लेबल्ड कमोडिटीज है तो जीएसटी लगेगा. इफ इट इज अदर देन प्री पैकेज्ड एंड लेबल्ड कमोडिटीज, जीएसटी कंटिन्यू टू बी एग्जेम्प्टेड. Right, basic notification 2/2017. Lot of dispute was there and trade was looking for the clarification. CBIC has issued important, frequently asked questions, and these questions might help for understanding lot of dispute which was there prevailing and now being clarified. Now they are saying, what is the meaning of pre-packaged commodities as defined under section 2 subsection L of Legal Metrology Act and rules made thereunder. Thereby, it is pre-packaged commodities and requires declaration as per Legal Metrology Act and rules made thereunder. So importantly उन्होंने कहा कि जीएसटी की जो लेवी होगी वो प्री पैकेज कमोडिटीज पे होगी एंड प्री पैकेज कमोडिटीज जैसा कि सेक्शन 2 सबसेक्शन एल ऑफ लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी एक्ट में डिफाइन की गई है. सो इट इज ए प्री पैकेज कमोडिटी एंड रिक्वायर्स डिक्लेरेशन as per Legal Metrology Act and rules made thereunder. पहली बात तो इनने ये क्लैरिफाई की. अब डिक्लेरेशन कहाँ लगता है? So there is a declaration even on retail pack and there is a declaration on even wholesale pack as well. So certain questions are being picked up in that FAQ which I am clarifying to all of you. The first question: GST going to be levied only when package of commodities up to 25 kg or 25 liter. Important. GST going to be levied on package of commodities up to 25 kg or 25 liter. If it is more than 25 kg or 25 liter, then it is not pre-packaged commodities as answered in that FAQ. अगर ये 25 kg या 25 लीटर से ज़्यादा का पैकेज है तो आपका GST नहीं लगेगा. It is exempted. That is what is being explained in one of the question. Second question: अगर आप होलसेल पैकेज निकालते हैं और उस होलसेल पैकेज में इट इज कंटेनिंग 10 or more retail pack, उस केस में डिक्लेरेशन रिक्वायर्ड ऑन होलसेल पैकेज एंड जीएसटी लीविएबल, यानी आपने एक पैकेट लिया, उसमें आपने 10 केजी के, 5 केजी के, 1 केजी के रिटेल पैक 10 या 10 से ज़्यादा आपने डाल दिए, वो होलसेल पैकेज बन गया, जीएसटी लगेगा. सो स्पेसिफाइड नंबर इज 10 और मोर. तीसरी बात उन्होंने जो की यहां पे, जो इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड वी मस्ट नो, एंड तीसरा क्वेश्चन, इफ मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर is supplying a package of commodities up to 25 kg or 25 liter, जीएसटी लग गया मैन्युफैक्चरर के हाथ में. मैन्युफैक्चरर विल चार्ज जीएसटी, बट रिटेलर क्या करता है, उस पैकेट को खोल देता है जो 25 केजी तक का था. सो रिटेलर इज ओपनिंग दैट पैकेज एंड सेलिंग आउट इन लूज, खुदरा मार्केट. Then in the hands of retailer, no GST. No GST, but here the cascading will come. Because manufacturer supplying package of up to 25 kg or 25 liter, he will charge GST 5%. If retailer opening up that package and selling in loose, then no GST in the hands of retailer, but whatever GST paid on purchase become cascading cost. So clarification is, if you are selling out in loose, no GST, but we have to understand the impact of GST charged by manufacturer or distributor or dealer to a retailer. And the next question will come, and another important aspect, a rice miller who is making package of, let's say, 20 kg of rice package, packed one. Now in this given case, he may not require to have declaration under Legal Metrology Act, but whether GST leviable, it is being clarified in that FAQ that it is being considered as a pre-packed package and commodities, and GST going to be levied. That is what they are clarifying for this particular question. So we have discussed the scenario of when any package of commodities up to 25 kg or 25 liter, GST leviable, more than 25 kg or 25 liter, no GST. And we have discussed different scenarios, and those scenarios are wholesale package containing 10 or more retail pack, GST leviable. When you are purchasing a package of 25 kg but selling in loose in the hands of retailer, no GST, but manufacturer, distributor, dealer supplying such wholesale package containing more than 10 retail pack, GST leviable, and cascading to that extent, because retailer will not be able to get credit if he's selling in loose. And then a rice miller question. Now importantly, this FAQ is also clarifying, if supply is being made to a industrial or institutional buyer, consumer, whether it is less than 25 kg or more than 25 kg, GST not going to be levied, exempted, continue to be exempted. And such supply are normally being made to the big institutional buyer or industrial buyer like railway, like defense. These are the examples which I am sharing with you. Next question which is being answered in FAQ, when, at what stage GST going to be levied? So manufacturer supplying to distributor, distributor supplying to dealer, dealer supplying to retailer, and retailer in turn selling to a consumer. So they are saying when manufacturer is supplying this pre-packaged commodities, GST going to be levied, an important item, specified item, which you may run through from chapter 1 to chapter 21 of the tariff. As per goods rate notification, basic goods rate notification 1/2017, but got amended by notification number 6/2022, central taxes rate notification. So this part is again clarified to you. So GST going to be charged by manufacturer 5% to distributor, distributor again charging to dealer 5%. So this supply chain will have credit mechanism, seamless flow of credit unless it is broken anywhere for the either or region. Now in this given situation, retailer will also take credit and will charge GST to the consumer on value addition, starting from manufacturer to distributor to dealer and then retailer. Explain, and they have to raise the tax invoice as per the time of supply and time to issue invoice, and then they have to follow all GST compliances as required to be. But if aggregate turnover of any person is less than 20 lakh, in case of intrastate supply it is 40 lakh, then you need not require to take registration, or you are following composition method, composition scheme under GST, you can avail the benefit of composition scheme up to 1.5 crore. Aggregate turnover is up to 1.5 crore. This is again clarified in this particular clarification, frequently asked questions. So important takeaway, lot of dispute was persisting, but one or two more item where we need clarity. Some of the clarification are good, because if we look at the provision under Legal Metrology Act and rules made thereunder, there is some different provision, but FAQ clarifying a position. अगर 25 kg और 25 लीटर तक है तभी GST लगेगा. अगर 25 kg से ज़्यादा है तो मान लीजिए अगर आपने 30 kg, 40 kg, 50 kg का बैग बनाया, GST exempted. Only up to 25 kg. Credit mechanism मैंने आपको बता दिया. To certain extent, this FAQ is clarifying a lot of dispute which was persisting in the trade, but still one or two questions. What happened? A manufacturer is manufacturing a retail pack meant for export market, even though it is going in a wholesale package. To my mind, GST not to be levied, but a clarity and clarification will definitely help. But nevertheless, this FAQ will help to all of us together to have clarity. When GST leviable, when we talk about pre-packaged commodities. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.